What is up, guys? I would like to do a Bitcoin, XRP, and Chainlink analysis here. I think some interesting stuff is going on with all three of those. But before I do, I'd like to ask if you could please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified new uploads. New uploads. We do cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, and sometimes bite out stuff. Now, guys, before I delve into the technical analysis, I'd like to take a moment to shill this coin for a moment. It's called GSX. I recently participated in their token sale. The more I look into it, the more I find it interesting. It's essentially a gold-backed stable coin where it's backed by these gold mines, where eventually, once this sale is done, the gold produced by these mines will go to actually backing the coin itself. So, I kind of think that's an interesting idea. Apparently, they're going to have a Binance listing sometime in the future, or at least they're working on it. Now, guys, this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research, okay? Have your own risk assessment. But if you do end up deciding to participate in the GSX sale, I implore you to check out the link in the description down below. There's going to be a 5% sign up bonus if you click on that link, and I get a kickback from that. So, think of this as a sponsorship, guys. Do your own research. There's always risk when it comes to investing, but I find this an interesting project, so that's why I'm sharing it. Okay, so and I do get a kickback. I want to make that very clear. It's a sponsorship almost. Okay, so guys, let's delve into this technical analysis. Bitcoin has been really reacting. Me and Messi have been talking about this. Bitcoin has really been reacting off our EMAs here on the larger time frames. Like if we look at the half hour and the hour, our 100 and 200-day EMAs are extremely price reactive. Like if we see here, as soon as on the half hour we went above our 200 EMA, we shot up. That's really interesting, guys. Me and Messin have been noticing how Bitcoin tends to really play off our EMAs, the 100 and the 200, on these larger time frames. So, in my opinion, I think Bitcoin could be in some kind of descending triangle right here, where maybe I think there's a chance we're likely going to move within this apex for maybe another day or two, then see a breakout to the upside or the downside. I thought we were going to see 14,000 in this move. That didn't happen. I still think 14,000 is in the playbook. Then after that, I expect some kind of pullback down to like the low 12,000. So that's kind of what I see happening with Bitcoin at the moment, guys. I'm currently with Bitcoin keeping in mind our EMAs on these larger time frames, the half hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. We seem to really play off those, so that's what I'm keeping in mind with Bitcoin. Chainlink, guys, is at a very interesting price level right now. In my opinion, this could be the beginning stages of an Elliott wave, especially if Bitcoin goes for another leg up. I think something like this might be entirely possible, where we shoot up to like maybe $14 or $15. I think that's entirely possible. We'll have to see where we find support. I think we're gonna find support. Oh yeah, no, this makes sense, guys. As we can see, we're currently consolidating right here, and that makes sense because there's previous price action here. We may even fall down to the 1122 or the 1114, but I expect us to find a lot of support all throughout this range. There's a lot of price action here, so I expect us to find some kind of support in the near term here. And if Bitcoin decides to take another leg up to the 14, I think Chainlink is likely going to benefit from that as well. So let's take a look at XRP. Guys, XRP is pretty interesting right now. I made a video the other day talking about XRP, how if we broke down below this green line, that we would go to the 24 cent, and we did. I was right. Now, I was asleep while this move happened, so I didn't trade it. But this is pretty interesting because it was a fake out. We went back above. So this is potentially good news, guys. I think if Bitcoin goes to 14, XRP, might, go back up to the top of this triangle. If Bitcoin has like another major pullback, goes to low 12s, maybe we'll fall back down to the base. But I think the interesting, important thing to keep in mind here with XRP is once Bitcoin starts to break above 14, I'm talking going to 15, I'm talking going to 16, and that may very well happen with before the end of the year. Not a guarantee, but it's entirely likely in my opinion. We could really see XRP pump here quite significantly. So if if Bitcoin starts to reach these higher price levels, 16, 18, 20K, really the for XRP to really start to take off here, we need to see it. We need to see XRP flip the 26 cent into support. 26 and 25 has really been acting as resistance. If we can flip the 26, really the 26.5 into support and hold above that, we're really going to start to see XRP take off here. If we see a 20K Bitcoin, I think it's entirely likely we could see a 40, 50, 60 cent XRP. That's not financial advice. That's just my opinion, guys. I could be wrong. It's important you guys do your own research, have your own risk assessment. But yeah, just to wrap up here on XRP, I think this descending triangle is still valid. Waiting to see what happens with the breakout here, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's kind of all my thoughts with those coins for the moment. Just to finish off with the GSX coin, guys. I participated in the sale. I get a commission if you click on that link in the description below. If you sign up, and you get a 5% sign up bonus. So I just want to be very clear, guys. ICOs can be risky. Investing in anything has some degree of risk. Cryptocurrency generally more so than other markets, and a token sale even more so. So guys, do your own research, have your own risk assessments. I find the project interesting, so I threw some money at it. If you do your own research and you decide you want to participate, hit up that link. You'll get 5% extra, and I'll get a kickback. But I really want to encourage you guys to do your own research, have your own risk assessment, and have your own trading plan. So that's it for now, guys. Take care. Peace.